Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of video, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X100V. So the X100V has a hybrid viewfinder, so it gives you the choice between shooting with the optical viewfinder or the electronic viewfinder. Now, when you bring it up to your eye, by default, you're gonna have the optical viewfinder. So if you wanna switch between the optical viewfinder to the electronic viewfinder, you just pull the lever like this, and then you see the screen is gonna come up. Now, if I pull it again, I go back to the optical view. The X100V also features an electronic rangefinder, so to bring that up, you simply bring it up to your eye when you're into the optical viewfinder, and then you push forward on the lever, and then you have the little screen that comes up at the bottom. Now, once that electronic rangefinder is up, I have 3 different magnification I can choose from, and to toggle between them, you simply have to push on the rear command dial just here, and that will bring you to the 3 different magnification that you can choose from. Now, if you want to customize the information that's shown on either the EVF or the OVF, you can go into the menu by simply pressing menu OK. You go down to the wrench icon, you go to screen setup, and then you go down to display custom setting, and then you have the choice between the EVF/LCD. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go into the OVF, and then I can choose from a long list of items that I can display into my optical viewfinder, and then I can do the same thing for the EVF as well.